Ready to take charge of your inner world? Let's break down exactly how.
You want to be productive, but another part of you just wants to procrastinate.
Yep, that's the daily battle between your growth self and your comfort self. And get this little inner debate, it can happen up to 3,000 times a week. So how does that nagging voice win so much? It's not with force, it's with sneaky, false logic. You know the one. I'll just start fresh on Monday. It sounds so reasonable, right?
Or how about, just one bite won't hurt? It makes the slip up feel like no big deal.
And the classic, just 5 more minutes. It tricks you into choosing comfort now over your actual goals.
See? Your biggest enemy isn't being lazy. It's that voice. So, here's how you win.
We're going to break down 3 simple but super powerful rules to shut that voice down.
Okay, rule number 1, the law of opposite command. When that voice says one thing, you do the opposite. Feel that urge to scroll? Put the phone down. Want to hit snooze? Nope, jump right out of bed.
Every time you do this, you weaken that voice. Stick with it, and it just becomes background noise.
But wait, these impulses are lightning fast, right? That's the tricky part. You have to become aware.
And that brings us to rule number 2. You've got to build your self-awareness. Think of it like a muscle.
And here's how. 2 simple exercises you can do every single day to build that awareness muscle. Doing this literally puts you back in the driver's seat. It creates that tiny pause, giving you back control.
All right, rule number 3. This one's all about reprogramming your mind by speaking its native language.
See, your subconscious doesn't really get logic. It runs on feelings and emotion. That's the key. So you gotta visualize your goal, but really feel the success, like it's already happened. That's what works.
Okay, so you've got the rules. Now it's time for the real work, the challenge.
Here it is. For the next 21 days, consciously apply these 3 rules every single day.
This is seriously how you reclaim your focus and your discipline. It's about aligning what you do with what you want.
So what's the very first impulse you're gonna override today? Your whole journey starts with that one choice.